Good morning, Monday. Happy blessed Monday, Easter. Hello, everyone. Another day, another vlog. Look at this bike, it's ready. This for rent. You can bring to downtown, everywhere. Yep. As long you pay. Yeah, you can bring to New York. You can bring to Philippines. Yeah, yahoo! Beautiful blue sky. Perfect weather. Trees, leaves is growing. It's growing. Update, update, mga leaves. It's coming out soon. Ayan na. May kunting ano na. Busel na. Ayan. Mataas guys. Hindi ko abot. Hindi ko abot talaga. Alright. Perfect na weather. Dapat ganito na lang. Hindi na iinit, hindi na lalamig. It's plus plus 3. Yeah, ang ganda talaga ng weather. Beautiful. Perfect na perfect. Light jacket lang. Para tayo naka-aircon. Alright. He's still walking. As you can see. Walking is the best exercise. Yep. Ever. Opo. Another day, another vlog. Yahoo! Yung gloves ko nandito. Siniksik ko dito in case I need the gloves, but for now hindi ko pa kailangan. At least siniksik ko dito. Yeah! Bye bus! Alibas bus! Soon, roses growing. Hi! Maingay guys. This is the roses. Kana yung patay na pero it's not. It's the roses. Ayun, roses to. This one. Yan, roses. Ang ganda maglakad guys. Early in the morning. Exercise. Diba? Naka-ready ng aking scooter. I try tomorrow to do the scooter. Nanibago na siguro ako. Parang gusto ko na walk ng walk. Kahit storm is no storm. Walk pa rin. Diba? Nawala ng snow, walk pa rin. Sana all. Sana all. Alright, beautiful sky. Wala kang makitang tricycle. Nag-aabang ako ng tricycle sa kamotor. Wala akong makita. Saan kaya makakahanap nun? Airplane! Airplane there. Ayun na airplane ah. Bye-bye airplane. See you later alligator. Thank you for watching everyone. It's Monday. Easter Monday. Yes, I'm the great pretender. Opo. Alright. Bye-bye everyone. Blue sky. You're growing the plant. It's time to do the garden. Cleaning the garden. Squirrel! Hi, squirrel! Ang ganda tignan ng mga front yard. Lalo pag maano na. Linisan nila muna yung mga para matanggal mga dry leaves. Saka yung mga branches, maliliit na branches na pinag-iwanan ng winter. Yep. Then after that they're gonna put abono para maganda ang tignan ng mga grasses. Then they're gonna put flower. Yeah, ang gandang tignan. Hello summer, hello spring, finally. Wala nang puti. Wala nang puti. Babay puti. Okay. Yeah. It's time to fix everything. The rooftop, the walls, yeah, lahat na. Ayan oh. That's flower. What? Bye bye.